Eggs and potatoes are a nutrient-rich combination, offering a balanced meal with complex carbs, fiber, protein, potassium, and choline, promoting sustained energy, satiety, and supporting brain health and digestion, making them great for weight management and a filling meal, though adding other nutrients like vitamins is recommended for a complete diet. Complete protein. Eggs provide high-quality protein and essential amino acids, complementing the plant-based nutrients in potatoes. Sustained energy. Potatoes offer complex carbohydrates for lasting fuel, while the protein and fiber keep you full, preventing energy crashes. Digestive health. Potato skins are rich in fiber, promoting regularity, while eggs are easy to digest. Brain and body support. Eggs provide choline for brain health, while potassium from potatoes helps balance sodium levels. Nutrient synergy. Vitamin C from potatoes helps absorb iron from eggs, and egg fats aid in absorbing fat-soluble vitamins from potatoes. Face-savoring food. Aloo boiled eggs is a classic combo. Potato egg. Here's a simple recipe. Aloo boiled eggs masala. Ingredients: 2 medium potatoes, diced. 2 to 3 boiled eggs, halved. 1 onion, chopped. 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 1/2 tsp turmeric. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Salt, to taste. 2 medium tomatoes, chopped. 2 tablespoons oil. Fresh cilantro for garnish. Steps: 1. Heat oil. Sauté onion till golden. 2. Add ginger garlic paste. Fry 1 minute. 3. Add potatoes. Cook 5 to 7 minutes, till half done. 4. Add spices and tomatoes. Mix well. 5. Add half a cup water. Simmer 10 minutes, till potatoes are tender. 6. Add boiled eggs. Mix gently. 7. Garnish with cilantro. Serve with naan or rice. Fork and knife. Want it spicy, creamy, or a quick stir-fry version? Smiling face with smiling eyes.